Hi, I put together this short video tutorial to show you how to configure a schedule to allow additional days for a user to complete a procedure without it showing up as late. I'm using IntelaTrac 5.1, but I believe that this applies to any version 4.1 and above. At our facility, we currently schedule some procedures on the first day of the month and give the users the entire month to complete them. The desired behavior is for the procedure to show active until it's completed or until the month is over, at which time it would switch to overdue. If the procedure is completed after it's become overdue, then the status would show as late. We've run into an issue where the scheduled procedures are showing as late if they are completed after the first day that they are scheduled. So I'll go ahead and open up one of my previously scheduled procedures here. We'll right click. Of course, we want to do the entire series. You can see it's monthly, shows up on day 1 of every 6 months. So we'll go ahead and go to Advanced. And these particular procedures are procedures we want to be completed no matter what. So we've selected the "This is a required procedure that must be completed" button. In order to achieve the desired behavior, we go ahead and selected the "Consider this procedure overdue if not completed in a certain amount of days." And in our case, we've given 30 days. You can see that these other two options to allow additional time are grayed out, so it's not selectable. After consulting with the IntelaTrac support folks, it turns out these are the options that need to be selected in order for us to achieve the desired behavior. It turns out there's a workaround that allows us to achieve this desired behavior. The trick is to temporarily select "This procedure is missed if not completed," at which time it will open up these selectable options to be checked. At this point, we'll select the checkbox for "Allow extra time to complete the procedure." We'll change it to the same setting that we have for "Consider overdue," so in our case 30 days. And then we'll go back down to the bottom here under the Missed Procedure section and switch it back to "This is a required procedure." You'll notice that the check mark went away and these are still grayed out, but the configuration that you made is still there. So now, we're not sure if it's a bug or what with the system, but this is a workaround that allows us to complete what we want. If you hover over this section of text, "Complete this procedure," and then click it, you'll notice that the checkbox is now marked again. Even though it's grayed out, it still is applying for the system properties. So if we say OK, you'll notice that the scheduled procedure up here switches to the little icon. It now has a little icon that says you have extra time to complete it. So in this case, for us, it's 720 extra hours, since that's the 30 days. Anyway, I hope this helps to possibly save you some time and headaches when it comes to this type of scheduling. Thank you.